Introducing the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker, the ultimate ice-making powerhouse that will transform your kitchen, office, bar, or party experience. With its impressive ability to produce a whopping 45 pounds of ice per day, you'll never run out of ice again. Picture yourself enjoying an ice-cold beverage within just 13 minutes, thanks to the rapid production of 24 perfectly formed ice cubes. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel housing, this ice maker not only adds a touch of elegance to your space but also ensures durability and easy maintenance. Say goodbye to the days of tedious manual cleaning, as the Ecozy Ice Maker boasts an innovative auto self-cleaning function. Sit back and relax while this smart machine takes care of all the cleaning, keeping your ice fresh and your life hassle-free. But that's not all. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker comes with a thoughtful addition: ice bags and an ice scoop. Now you can conveniently store and serve your ice cubes without any fuss. Whether you're hosting a summer BBQ, planning a corporate event, or simply enjoying a refreshing drink at home, this ice maker is your ultimate companion. Unlock a world of endless ice possibilities with the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker. With its impressive production capacity, self-cleaning feature, and included accessories, it's time to elevate your ice game. Get ready to wow your guests, keep your drinks chilled, and make every occasion an ice-cold sensation. Don't settle for less when you can have the best. Experience the magic of the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker today. Here are the key features of the Ecozy Countertop Ice Makers. Solid and slow melting ice. The Ecozy Ice Make creates clear and solid ice cubes, which are different from hollow bullet-shaped ice. The ice is crystal clear with no air bubbles, and it melts slowly, preserving the flavor of your drink for a longer time. Enjoy your beverage to the fullest with this incredible machine. No more ice shortages. Upgrade your ice game with this high-end countertop ice maker. It produces 24 ice cubes in 13 minutes and up to 45 pounds of ice per day, meeting the ice needs of 3 to 5 people and perfect for parties. Enjoy fresh ice at your convenience. Timed ice making convenience. Simplify your daily routine with our convenient 24-hour timer function. Set it up at night and wake up to refreshingly cold drinks in the morning. Say goodbye to the hassle of ice making and hello to smarter and effortless living. Hassle-free self-cleaning. Effortlessly maintain your ice maker's cleanliness with the self-cleaning feature, ensuring every corner is spotless. For extended storage, wash and dry the inside. Enjoy your ice worry-free. Efficient ice storage solution. Organize your ice maker setup with this complete package, including a detachable basket, 3 bags, and a standing scoop. Keep ice fresh by using the bags to transfer excess cubes to the fridge. Enjoy cold drinks anytime with ease.